behold, the rhubarb cookie.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Stir or whisk those things together and set that aside. Now in a large bowl you put 3/4 cup of sugar, half a cup of butter that's been brought to room temperature, and cream those things together until light and fluffy. Add a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and an egg, and then blend those things until nice and creamy, and then finally blend in 3/4 cup of sour cream. And then add in your dry ingredients a little bit at a time, blending until all the flour is combined. And then finally, we're going to add the rhubarb. We need to add 2 cups of diced rhubarb. This was fresh from my garden when I originally made these cookies, but you could use frozen rhubarb as well. Then you'll take that completed dough and scoop it onto a cookie sheet that's been covered with a silicone mat or that's been greased. Leave a good 2.5 inches in between each cookie. Bake at 350 until they are lightly browned on the tops and a little bit browned on the bottom. They won't change color too much, and let them cool. Now I found when I tasted these are the baked ones, as you can tell, I found them to be not quite sweet enough for my liking because those little rhubarb bites are quite tart. Max tried one of the cookies. He said, "Mom, I think you need to add some glaze to these." So I mixed up some powdered sugar glaze by mixing powdered sugar with milk until I got to a drizzling consistency. Drizzle it over the cookies, and that did the trick. It added just a little bit of extra sweetness. When you bite into these, it's quite a soft cookie, and when you bite into them, you get a little pockets of tartness from the rhubarb, which is a wonderful complement to the sugar glaze and the rest of the cookie. Give these a try. If you love rhubarb desserts, check out this one. This is an old video, but it is a good recipe. Rhubarb cake. Check it out.